Mix eggs to Nutella and you'll be amazed by the result. Start by adding 2 egg yolks to an 800-gram jar of Nutella. Next, using an electric mixer, beat everything very well until smooth. This is the right consistency. Once it reaches this consistency, stop beating and set aside. Now, in a large bowl, add 5 well-chilled egg whites and beat everything very well until it becomes foamy and forms stiff peaks. This is the right consistency. Next, add the Nutella we mixed with the egg yolks and mix to combine. You should mix it gently, just like I'm doing. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Once that's done, grease a baking pan by brushing it with unsalted butter softened to room temperature. The pan I'm using here is 18 centimeters wide and 25 centimeters long. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Next, add a sheet of parchment paper covering the bottom. Add the Nutella batter we prepared and spread it evenly. Place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 25 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, add 100 grams of white chocolate. Take it to the microwave and microwave at high power in 20-second intervals, always mixing between these breaks until fully melted. Now, add 100 grams of heavy cream and mix until combined. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right mix. After the cake is baked, cut a piece and transfer it to a nice plate. To finish, add the ganache we prepared and sprinkle powdered milk to taste over the entire dessert. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.